Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, today in this video we are going to fix this inverter welding machine. The complaint with this welding machine has no power. We connect to the supply and show you. I already opened that machine. And see, it is working. The OC section is working, and we just set to the probe DC for checking, and you can see there is no output voltage while we touch the probe. And I set this AC, and for frequency you can see the OC. Also maybe you can see it is 101 kilohertz. Everything is looking fine, and I come directly to the point. The problem with this welding machine, why is not making output voltage. This CT section is faulty. I just saw here is little, you can see there is little spark. Other things are just fine, MOSFET are okay, and other things are just fine. And you can see here the oscillar section is fine also. The problem only is we will just need to replace this CT. It can be 300 to 1 ton.